50% this year. The bears are out in full force, and their arguments center around three key points. Google search is dropping about 75% this year. Trading volumes also down, and the price stuck below $10,000. But FundStrat's Tom Lee, Wall Street's biggest Bitcoin bull, says each of those points is wrong.
So we've been getting flagged, so I'm going to have to cut in and out. I'll let it play for a little bit longer.
So let's do some point-by-point myth-busting. Tom, welcome to the show. Let's start off with the Google searches. Why do you think searches being down is irrelevant?
Well, Google searches aren't a leading indicator for Bitcoin. I think it's actually a coincident indicator, meaning as the price has fallen, I think interest has dwindled, but I don't.
So I would take this for a grain of salt. You can go on Google Analytics and look at it. If it does start to spike, the market's already moved and the market's already priced into it. So, I mean, yes, you can look at it as an indicator, but all of this data, it's already priced into the market. So I think it's a little it's just, there's no point. I mean, by the time you see it go up, the price has already gone up. So it's not like you're going to really benefit from it, but we'll let them continue.
View that as signaling Bitcoin's not going to recover by the end of the year.
Okay. Trading volumes, why don't they concern you?
Well, trading volumes are down huge. From December, they're down close to 80%. But you have to remember, December was the parabolic blow-off for Bitcoin. And compared to just the second half of last year, Bitcoin volumes are up 40%. And compared to a year ago, the same time, January to June.
So another thing he's not mentioning, and I want to bring up, is that, you know, trading volume is going to go down when people are just holding. A lot of people are now stuck in positions where they're just now hopefully waiting for the market to recover. And there was that crypto to crypto tax law that they are trying to debate over, where if you can 1031 exchange your asset. And that basically means if you change your Bitcoin to Ethereum, is it a taxable event? And because there's uncertainty on that, and also the fact that there's long-term to capital gains, a lot of this trading volume is going to go down. And also last year, remember, all the big boys like Coinbase and Gemini, they're now being forced to give financial records to the US government at least, and I'm sure this is an issue with other foreign governments. So people are not going to trade as much. They're not going to go in and out of the market because they don't want to get hit by taxes. But let's let him continue.
Bitcoin volumes are up 900%. So I think that volumes have actually been pretty healthy.
And then let's get to the price. Why can't Bitcoin break through 10K?
Well, it's, you know, Bitcoin has really some technical issues, right? It's kind of a busted chart, and I think was some uncertainty on regulatory overhang. But you have to keep in mind, Bitcoin.
And that's where I think he is going to have the best argument, is the regulatory overhang. Until we see a crypto ETF and some clear regulatory oversight and institutional money can actually invest in this asset class, I don't see our prices going up past, I mean, 10,000 maybe like 12,000, 13,000, but that's very unlikely. You know, we're not going to really see a break to 20,000, 30,000 until the regulations come out much more clear and we actually can move in institutional money. And whenever this green light opens, it's going to be quick. I mean, there's going to be so much money pouring in. So that's one reason why you just have to wait and hold. And I really do feel like it might just be the last 3 months. So October, November, December, if you're not going to buy crypto, watch for those 3 months. I think those are the 3 months where we're going to have explosive growth. But let me know what you guys think. Hopefully this video doesn't get flagged. I know you guys hate this new format, so I'm sorry. But it's just only for these videos I have to do this. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you soon.